If you need space, this house is for you. This 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home features a spacious living room and eat-in kitchen with fireplace, walk-in pantry, dining room, office, and 1/2 bath on the main floor. Large sitting area with walkout deck, 3 bedrooms, full bath, large laundry room and master suite on the second floor. While the basement houses a rec room, family room, full bath, bedroom, and plenty of storage. The home also has a 2-car attached garage and fenced-in backyard.